Well, hello there. I'm the Ranger. I was asked what I'm going to do to protect myself when it gets cold. I'm going to show you what I have here. Well, hello there. I'm the Ranger, and don't forget, I'm a fictional character for this channel. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the show. I have bought this bisqueen a while back. It's 13 by 16 foot drop cloth. So it's going to cover this whole area up for me. I could take that bisqueen and just take it and loop it over this first A-frame. Go this way, go to the ground, take it and go this way. And that will cover my whole area up with this drop cloth. It only cost me $3. So this whole camp system, alright, and this is a reconstruction of Civil War tarps. I must have it really tart to keep the water from coming in. And I cannot have no sagging areas. So far, this area has not gotten any water. I'm trying to come out here when it rains so I can see where the water is. The water was dripping here, but I fixed that by putting some sticks and really tarting it really tight. And that's it. I have not done nothing new to my camp. I'm trying to keep it where it's bushcrafting or made items. This is only for emergency situation. Or basically only for emergency situation is that drop cloth. And later on when it gets colder, I'm going to put that bisqueen here and cover myself up. And should be enough to go this way too. So that's how I'm going to cover it up. Catching water was also a request. Right now I don't have nothing to catch water with. But just open these containers up, it will catch water for me. And since I cannot make or reproduce containers in nature, I can with clay, but it's so hard to find the right clay in this location. So I didn't do much updates on the camp. It's the same like it was. Only thing I've been having that bisqueen here just to cover that up when it gets cold. Alright, I'm the Ranger. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. They do help. See you next video. And my next video is talking about my survival vest, if you like.